Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So the upcoming new smartphone of a gaming department, the Red Magic 5, has to have 320 Hz shoulder buttons cooling add-on as per teasers. The Nubia upcoming Red Magic 5s will have 144 Hz screen, same it's Nubia Red Magic 5G. That screen will feature 240 Hz touch sampling rate, but it is not the only way to control games. The phone will also have two touch sensitivity shoulder button at your disposal. Those will be even snapper than the screen, as they have a touch sampling rate of 320 Hz. To put this off, the Red Magic team engineered a dual IC solution in an industry first. Check out the short demo of the Nubia Red Magic 5s and its shoulder button, as you can see on this video. Nubia President Nife also shared more detail about the first of its kind cooling system that will use silver for its high thermal conductivity. As with previous Red Magic phones, that the 5S will have an active cooling in the form of built-in 15,000 RPM fan. However, the team has also prepared an external add-on, the wind cooling magic box. It has a large fan so it can push more air with less noise, and it connects to the silver layer inside the phone for optimal heat transfers. Also, these accessories bring two wired connection, USB Type-C, the 30-watt power delivery, charging, and 3.5mm headphone jack. These will be easily accessible when the phone is held horizontally. The 5S will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, plus a patented Magic Write technology which optimize reads and writes. So that's all new feature of the upcoming new gaming smartphone from Nubia Red Magic 5s, and it has a 144 Hz screen with 240 Hz touch sampling rate. So this is a new, and with a new Divine Cooling Magic Box add-on for the upcoming Red Magic 5s. So this is the latest update about the upcoming new Red Magic 5s smartphone. If you like this smartphone, let me know in the comment section, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.